Do you want to know how to make this classic margarita using only 4 ingredients? Well, stick around because that's coming up in this episode of Forking Around. What's up, thirsty people? Welcome back to my channel, Forking Around. I'm Sean, the host of the channel, and today we're in the Quarantina Cantina making margaritas 2 different ways with only 4 ingredients. Cue the Jimmy Buffett music. That's probably illegal, but you know the song that I'm talking about. So I picked up this great book called The Home Bartender by Shane Carley. It has over 175 different drink recipes in it using only 4 ingredients or less, which is great for this channel because we're all about minimalistic ingredients. It's also great because I had all these ingredients right in my home bar and in my fridge. All right, let's talk about what you're gonna need. You're gonna need some tequila, some triple sec, some lime juice, some salt to rim your glasses, a shaker, some lime wedges, and some ice. All right, so let's talk about the recipe. The recipe calls for 2 parts of tequila and 1 part each of triple sec and lime juice. Now, when we're talking about parts, we're not talking about ounces. I know that both of my margarita glasses here are 10 ounces apiece, and I'm gonna make about an 8-ounce margarita because when I make a margarita, I know I'm gonna be dancing and I need a little room so I don't spill it. We're gonna start with the straight up margarita. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna fill our shaker with ice. Alright, so 2 parts of tequila in an 8-ounce drink is going to be 4 ounces of tequila. Okay, so we need 2 of these. This pour is 2 ounces each. So we have 4 ounces of tequila in there. Then we're going to need 2 ounces of triple sec. And 1 part lime juice. And that'll be 2 ounces of lime juice. Okay, once you have everything in your shaker, you're going to give it a good shake. And you might as well smile because you know you're about to have a good drink. You shake it about 20 to 30 times. If you feel that it's nice and cold, all you're going to do is strain it into your straight up glass. We're going to top this off with a lime. We're going to give it a try. Oh yeah, that's delicious. And only 4 ingredients, and I know if I went to the grocery store and picked up some margarita mix, it would probably have some high fructose corn syrup or some other chemical in it that would be sweetening it. And you saw what we used here. We used 4 ingredients, and it's delicious. All right, before we move on to the frozen margarita, I got a question for the day for you. Who are you gonna enjoy this recipe first after this quarantine is over? I think what I'm gonna do is I'll probably go to that beach and I'm gonna have a margarita with that parrot and a Corona. Leave it in the comments. Who are you gonna share this recipe with? Tag them, share it with them, let them know how good it is. All right, so let's move on to the frozen margarita. We're gonna fill up our NutriBullet cup here, just a little bit of ice. We don't want too much ice in there because if we use too much, it's gonna be too thick. We won't be able to drink it. And the recipe is just the same. Let me get a couple things out of the way here. Okay, and the recipe is the same as before. So we're gonna use 2 parts of tequila, which is gonna be 4 ounces. So there's 2, and there's 4 ounces of tequila. Then we need 1 part triple sec, which is gonna be 2 ounces. And then 1 part lime juice, which is gonna be another 2 ounces. Alright, so we're going to put the cap on there. We're going to give it a good shake. Pour in the glass. Let's try this one out. equally as good. I'm not sure which one I like better. That one's good. Frozen one. It's equally good. You guys gotta try out this recipe because it's crazy how good it tastes with only four ingredients. It's delicious. Let me know which one you prefer in the comments if you try both of these. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Check back often because we're going to be making drinks like this right here in the Quarantina Cantina all quarantine long. Thanks, everyone. Cheers.